Hey guys, today I'm so excited to be doing a facial using Seaflora's organic Thalasso skincare products. Thalasso therapy is an ancient healing treatment dating back 5,000 years and is based on the natural healing properties of seawater. Thalasso therapy is the use of seawater ingredients as a form of therapy. Alright, so let's begin. Step 1. Cleanse. Using the Ocean Botanical Sea Foam Cleansing Concentrate, massage over face and neck. Rinse or remove with a wet face cloth. Step 2. Exfoliate. With your fingertips, gently massage the Ocean Botanical Iridia Exfoliator all over your face and neck in a circular motion. Remove, and now it's time to mask. Soak the Seaflora's signature sun-dried seaweed eye chamois in a small bowl of warm water prior to beginning. Step 3. The mask. Apply the potent sea kelp facial mask with your fingertips over the face, neck, and décolletage. Step 4. Relax. Place the hydrated eye chamois on the delicate skin under the eyes. Relax for 10 minutes. Remove the chamois, hydrate the mask with water, and remove with a wet face cloth. My skin feels so soft. Step 5. Tone. Nourish your skin with the Sea Splash Toner. This step will ensure your skin is perfectly pH balanced and prepared to drink in hydration. Step 6. Eyes. Carefully apply the Eye Sea Relief Serum around the eye area and over frown lines by patting gently until absorbed. Step 7. Moisturize. Apply the Deep Sea Moisturizer over the face and neck and gently massage in an upward motion until product is completely absorbed. As an additional product, I'm going to be using the Sea Therapy Anti-Aging Series Eye Cream for an extra boost of Seaflora seaweed coupled with hyaluronic acid, AHAs, fruit acids, and coenzyme Q10. And there you have it, Seaflora's Organic Thalasso Therapy Facial.